Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Zinc oxide is a mineral blocker that physically reflects UV radiation and reduces inflammation, making it effective for sun protection and calming red or irritated skin. For reliable broad-spectrum sunscreen on the face, choose a product that contains between 15 and 25% zinc oxide. This concentration balances protection with cosmetic feel. Beyond UV protection, zinc oxide soothes minor irritation and can be applied as a thin layer for spot treatment on small blemishes, rashes, or post-procedure redness to support barrier recovery. For daily protection, apply 1/4 teaspoon of zinc oxide sunscreen to the entire face every morning, spreading evenly to cover forehead, cheeks, nose, chin, and neck edges. If you have dry skin, layer your moisturizer first, then wait 3 to 5 minutes for absorption before applying zinc oxide to avoid pilling. Reapply zinc oxide sunscreen every 2 hours or after swimming, towel drying, or heavy sweating. Use a fresh 1/4 teaspoon per reapplication to maintain effective coverage and SPF performance. Before using a new zinc oxide product, perform a patch test. Apply a small pea-sized amount to the inner forearm and wait 24 hours to check for irritation or allergy. For spot care, apply a pea-sized amount of zinc oxide ointment or paste directly to the lesion once or twice daily, covering if needed. Remove with gentle cleanser when healing is complete. When customizing products, avoid mixing zinc oxide powder into acidic actives like glycolic acid. Instead, add it to non-active moisturizers for tint, texture, or extra barrier support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.